Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cloud with 3 different brushes. And what I've got is I've got my practice board up and I've got my sky already on it up here, and I've got another one down there to work with as well. So I'm going to start with the fan brush. It's one of my favorites to make clouds. And I'm going to go into my paint. This is titanium white and I've given it a tail, as you can see. And I'm just going to go in, I'm going to load this paintbrush up with some white. And then I'm going to come over here. Now notice I'm not going straight in like this. I'm going to come in at the side. I'm in at the side. And let me show you something else. I'm only going to use maybe this portion of my brush. I'm not using the whole thing. I'm just going to use just like maybe this portion. I'm going to come in from the side up here and I'm going to just give it little squiggles. Twist it and turn it. Give it little squiggles, little circles, like so. And the reason why this works is because I have a dark sky behind it. You have to have the dark to show the light. So I'm going to come in here, squiggle, 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 and this gives you nice wispy little clouds when you do it this way. Now, I'm going to take a 1-inch brush. I'm going to go into what I just did in the bottom portion of the cloud. I'm just going to buff that out a little bit. I'm blending it out. I'm doing little tiny circles. I'm using this part of my brush right here. I'm going into the side, just like this, and I'm just giving it little light little circles. And then sweeping up just a little bit. And as you can see, we have a nice little cloud. Okay, that's how you do it with a fan brush. The next brush I'm going to use is a filbert. See how it has the rounded edges? That's what makes a filbert special. Okay, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to load it with the titanium white again, getting a lot in there. And with this brush, I'm just going to make, again, from the side, little tiny circles. Now you can see that it makes a different kind of cloud. The other one was a little bit more wispy. This one is a little deeper. A little more fluffy. And now that I've got my cloud on there, and all I did was come in here to the side and just make little tiny circles. Little tiny circles, just baby circles. Now I'm going to grab that 1-inch brush again, and I'm going to soften it and brush out the bottom portion of it. When you're doing this, you never want to come up and hit the top part of your cloud and do this, because then you get rid of it. See how that got rid of it? You'll get rid of all that nice stuff that you did up there. So don't do that. Just beneath it on the bottom part of the cloud. Okay, the next thing I'm going to use, let's put that down. The next brush I'm going to use is the 1-inch brush. See how many bristles are in it? This is big and it's thick. It can handle it. I'm going to go into my white. I'm going to just load that baby up. Put this down. Now, this time, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to tap it. See how I'm just tapping it to make this cloud? Tapping. 3 different kinds of clouds with 3 different brushes. I'm going to show you up close. When I'm tapping it, I'm just doing this. See how I'm bending the brush? I'm just tap, 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 just like that. And that's how I'm making that cloud. I'm just tapping it in. And now I can take that same brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit and even sweep up a little bit to kind of soften. Very, very gently. I can sweep up that one. And that's it. That's how you use 3 different brushes to make 3 kinds of clouds. All right. Thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you later. Bye.